Wow, it's hot. In order to turn the copper wire inside the motor into copper bricks, you build a furnace. Because of the excessive firepower of the spray gun, an open flame, there were a lot of enthusiastic netizens so it failed. Advise me in the comment section. So let's give him a makeover today. Reason for open flames is very simple. So some netizens just not enough oxygen. Put oxygen in there. I don't have this oxygen either. I put pure oxygen in the bottle, decide to give oxygen. Why? This is no laughing matter, considering security. Because I don't have a professional team. I don't have a lot of experience. Besides, I really can grasp melting furnaces. Put this pure oxygen in my stove. I didn't even know what was going to happen. This road is still abandoned. It's this also Mitsubishi is the smallest second bag. You can still melt metal. It is also I got a little to increasing oxygen in the caliber of this pelvic cavity is Mitsubishi. The last one I used was Wooling. Insufficient pelvic oxygen. Then reduce the pelvic cavity. Let's try the effect now. The amount of fire sprayed by the spray gun is smaller than the last one. Okay, no more nonsense. You can check it in a while. Sure. Yes, I haven't seen it in a long time. Nice, perfect. This all should be came. Now close the lid. Try again. The current burning situation is a bit like that. It's about the same as the stove on the internet. Okay, this furnace has been initially successful. Now let's draw the copper wire a little bit. Because there are so many mosquitoes here, they're ready to go back. Find a clean place another day to smell copper. This is the copper wire that was dealt with last night. Surface was covered with a plastic shell. Now that it's started inside, it looks like this. Now we come to a ruined area. Unfinished building next to it. I'm ready to draw it here. Oh dear. This one is 5.5. This 7.5 should burn this 5.5 first. Before burning, you need to pull out all the copper wires. So you can put it in the dry pan. And you fold it into little pieces. Okay, this dry pan is full. And sort out the other copper wires by the way. Okay. All the red lines of this 5.5 have been sorted out. Then put the dry pan in the inside of the dry pan. I already bought this abrasive tool. You don't have to worry about melting. Vegetable copper washer. It is a pure stone grind and abrasive tool, which is more expensive. It's been burning for about 25 minutes. Now, I'm using my phone zoom now. There's something wrong here. Is this dry pan Take a look at the situation the wire in the furnace still shows no signs of melting. It's been 25 minutes and it's still not melting. Now this spray gun is in good condition. The temperature here is still cold. It's pretty safe. The flexibility is okay here. There is nothing abnormal. Keep burning. It's been burning for 35 minutes. Now, this dry pan is a little brighter, but the copper inside still hasn't melted. Still pretty hot. Prove that the internal temperature is still not up to it. Could it be that the mat above me is too big, so the heat loss is too fast? I'm going to look for fireproof cotton now. Lock it a bit. Okay, I'll leave such a small hole. Now, continue to collapse for another 10 minutes. It's melted again now. It's been almost 20 minutes. Plus the previous one. It's been almost an hour. This spray gun still cold after running for nearly an hour. Now I use the zoom of my phone again. Take a look inside. Well, now that you can see it, let's just turn it on. Then comes the moment to witness the miracle. Wow, it's hot. The fucking avatar hasn't been changed yet. I haven't drawn you yet. I'm really convinced. It's a loss that I have prepared so many copper coins. I don't even pull apart now. Halfway is the temperature of my spray gun. Wire. Now I'll spray it directly with a dry pan. If you spray it at him with an airbrush, it will indeed melt. However, the temperature still feels a bit low. It takes a long time to spray to melt, let alone put it in the oven. And if it melts directly, it's like this, all oxidized blood. It's not pretty either. Get out, get out. It failed today, let's go. Take away the trash, take away the trash. You can leave a comment over a comment to discuss. Remember to give a follow. This is the end of today's video. See you next time. Bye.